Welcome back, ladies and gents, boys and girls, and everything in between. Does not matter to me. I really don't care. Today, what we're talking about is our operation table. You may notice that it's a little bit different color, and that's because, well, it is a different color. But the reason why it's a different color is because of this 3/16 to 1/4 inch thick steel. Super heavy, super rusty, super nasty, as a matter of fact. I mean, damn. So underneath is this kind of like foamy green stuff that they use for drafting tables, which is exactly what this former life was. And as you can see, we've got some nasty, gooey adhesive that sucks. And so our plan is, as you can, again, already see, to try and bolster it up to where it is what I would deem an indestructible work platform. Something that does not soak up all the petroleum products that come along with doing some small engine work and whatever else have you. The ultimate plan is to actually weld the seams and make this one solid surface, one solid plate, more or less. I know nothing about welding, so maybe I'll take you along with me in that adventure. Maybe not. I don't really know. The reason for my long hiatus is because I've got a 2-year-old. Work has been ramped up, and there's just adult things that need to happen. I'm sure at least some of you can relate. So the idea is to get this cleaned up. I'm going to pressure wash it, get all the dirt off first. This is not going to be like a smooth silver metal look. Nah, we're not going after that. We're just trying to get it cleaned up enough to work with. Obviously, what little I do know about welding is that we need to clean up these edges and these seams in order to actually make a clean weld. But again, I'm not a welder. I don't know the first thing about it. I just know that you have to have clean metal and to wear a welding mask. That's all I know about it. So, yeah, that's the new project for right now, is to try and get this entire work surface solid, clean, looking spot on, and usable once more. The biggest complaint I have about its current state is the fact that it just soaks up and holds and all the particulates and dust and whatever. I want to be able to take like a rag with acetone, clean this thing off, and be done. No oil, no residue, no staining, no nothing. Just clean slate, ready to rock for the next project. So it has taken quite some time to get to this point. I actually had to dig this out. This is a non-inventory item that I was afforded, and ended up having one of our suppliers was gracious enough to help me out and get it cut into 4-foot lengths. I had 2 bars or 2 flats of whatever dimension this. I'm pretty sure it's 3/16, but either way you figure it, thick steel, heavy stuff, was in 20-foot lengths. Someone cut it down for me and said, have at it, have fun, don't come back. So that's the project. That's my thoughts. This is how I want to lay it out. Again, we're going from this nasty, thick, foamy stuff that you can clearly see is dirty as all get out and has stains and soaked up some petroleum products one way or another, to get it to a steel, almost indestructible work surface, maybe even a welding platform. Again, I don't know enough about welding to say, yep, that's what I'm doing. So, appreciate you guys watching. Like it if you want to like it. Comment if you want. I will respond. But that's all I got for you. Just a new project. I apologize for my absence, but this is what I'm going to work on next, is trying desperately to learn how to weld long, straight. It's going to be a nightmare, but dad time. That's what it's all about. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.